Hi YouTube, my name is Jay Brown. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another bag reveal plus a few accessories. So let's get right into it. The first thing I have, this is a little pouch from Coach. So I think you all know what's in here. It is a charm, and this charm has been on my wish list for a while. So this is the Coach C charm in silver. I do have the brass one, and I still can't find that one, y'all. It must be attached to a bag that I have not used for a while, because I just really cannot find it. I wanted to pick this one up because I have added a few silver charms to my collection lately, so I wanted this to just complete that collection, and I'm super excited to get started using this one. And then you guys can see here in this plastic, this is the Coach Denim Cargo Tote in the color Ballerina. I did pick it up from Amazon, and I love my denim cargo tote in the regular indigo or blue. I'm not sure what that color is called, but it is one of my favorite bags in my collection. And so when this one came out, they released it in the size 20, and I wasn't too sure about the size 20, so I was super excited to see that it was released in a full size. And so to go with that piece, I also picked up the small wristlet, and I picked this up from Coach Retail. This is also in the denim, and I do have several other Coach wristlets in denim, but none in a pink denim, and it's beautiful. It's really pretty. Let's go ahead and take the wrapping off. I decided to leave that on until I was on camera with you all. So we can go ahead and get the wrapping off of here. And so this is what the wristlet looks like. And this is a beautiful, I'd say a mauve pink denim, silver hardware. And I think it's gonna look super nice with the charm. Yeah, it's gonna be really cute together. And let's go ahead. I'm gonna get the wrapping off of this cargo tote, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I have everything unwrapped completely. So again, here is the wristlet completely unwrapped. Here is the crossbody strap for the bag. It's a gorgeous mauve color. The darker mauve on here really is similar to Coach's True Pink from the outlet. So if you were considering this bag and you have any True Pink accessories, that would go really, really cute with this, like the teddy bear, the Nolitas, anything from prior collections. Here is the hang tag. Now the hang tag on this one is in a normal size. On my denim, blue denim, it's in it was an oversized hang tag. So that's an interesting difference. Now this one does have silver hardware, like I said. It comes with the same styling, like it has the rivets on each corner. Even here on the inside of the bag, this bag does not have feet at all, so I'm definitely going to take some extra precautions. It does have a snap pocket back here on the back. This bag came fully factory wrapped, so I'm not going to take the styrofoam and the cardboard out of there. I like to leave that inside the bag when I'm not using it for just structure and support. But this bag is absolutely gorgeous. Here is the top. What I love about the cargo totes from Coach is the fact that they have a zipper. And let's take a quick look at the inside. The inside is also that beautiful shade of ballerina pink as well, and it is just like a pink fabric interior. Really pretty. So besides the bag itself and the wristlet, I chose not to get any accessories to go with this bag because I am pretty sure that I have a lot of accessories that will already match. So here is my notebook in powder pink, and do you see how well these two match? I mean, they might as well have named this Ballerina powder pink. Picked up the denim cargo tote, then just know your powder pink accessories will be really pretty with that. Now the hardware is going to be a different color, but I'm not going to worry about that. And then I also have some pieces in a color, I think they're called carnation. I know they will definitely match. And then I would also use my Coach Blossom Pink accessories with this as well, and I think that would be gorgeous. Yeah, I did not feel the need to pick up the denim card case or anything else, but I did want to just complete my set and pick up the denim wristlet, because I did not pick it up for, I think I didn't pick up the denim wristlet that was just the plain denim like this for the cargo tote. I used a previous one that I had to match my field tote, and I kind of regret that. This is how the Coach C looks on the bag. I have my silver chain here, and so I'm going to add that. So I am seeing that this bag would be a tricky one to organize. I attached the chain right here on this front loop. The back loop, if I attach this other piece, the other end of the chain to this back loop, it looks kind of weird. So for now, just for the sake of demonstration, I have it attached to the zipper pull. I have to figure out how to set this up long term with this chain, or just accept that this chain is honestly not meant to be used with this bag, just based on the way that the bag is designed. But it does look cute just for the video. And then I also have this silver and pink cherry charm, and I think that would be gorgeous with this as well. This one, honestly, you guys, is from Shein or Amazon, and it's one of my favorites in my collection, even over the retail cherries. And then here is the retail silver cherry, and that is absolutely gorgeous with the bag as well. So definitely have some options here for styling and setting the bag up. And then last but not least, I want to see how these this last charm looks on the bag. This charm is really heavy, so I don't even know. This bag definitely would have to be completely full before I added this to it, but those dice look really good on the bag. I love that. So that is the entire unboxing, you guys. This is the Coach Denim Cargo Tote in Ballerina. Like I said, I think I've only seen one other person share this on their channel. I think her channel, I think it's Anna's Life. I will be sure to link her video in the description box until I make my way back here with a what's in my bag, okay? And then here is here is Powder Pink with the Coach Denim in Ballerina. And as you can see, it's a match made in heaven. So I'm super excited to have added this to my collection. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, YouTube.